What's up, everybody? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? I have book mail. Book mail. You're seeing this side because the other side has my address and her address, and we ain't trying to do all that giving out stuff that should be given out. But we're gonna open this, and we're gonna do it right now. I could not wait to do this. It says PR Box for Tower of the Lost Princess. Oh, yeah. You guys, look, Autumn Kaufer is like one of my top 10 favorite authors. I love her books. Go. I love her books. I love the way she writes. I love her characters. Her she's just absolutely amazing, and let alone the fact that she is an amazing author, she is an amazing friend. I have been enjoying getting to know her. I have enjoyed talking to her and just everything. She is a fantastic author, fantastic lady. So this is her new book. Y'all, oh yeah, got some swag. Dude. Okay, okay, to the note, to the note, to the note. Oh, yeah. Well, thank you, Autumn, for sending me this box. Look at that little frying pan. That is just the cutest flipping thing ever. Okay, so let's look at this purple rose. I took it out of the thing, but look at that. Y'all know I love purple. So, yeah, this is going to be a pin so I can look at it every time I turn around. Let's get into the swag. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It check something out. Okay. Okay. Let's look at the swag. Oh no, I tore the sticker. The sticker. I will link her thing down below, y'all. I'm just all excited over this. I will link her website down below. Go check out her books. You can get them on Kindle Unlimited as well. I I I'm not sure if they're still on sale or not, but go over and check it out anyway. She has amazing books. And yes, for my spicy friends, there is some spice in it. But I'm excited to look at this skillet. I sure am. We're going to check it out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is cute. And then, oh, a keychain. Yes. I'll be adding that with my collection. How cute. But I'm loving this. This is going to be, I'm going to make all this keychain. That is cute. Oh, how pretty. And she's reading the book. Dude, that's so cool. She's reading the book. And, of course, some tea. You got to have some tea. And then some book stickers. Ooh, that one's so pretty. Yes. Oh, isn't she cute? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And then just here for the spice, in which is also a spoiler. I recommend opening this after you read chapter 7. I'm opening it now. I'm opening it now, and I'm not showing nobody because I think I know what this is. Yep, yep. I ain't showing you this. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. This is content that is not going up here. When you get her books, then you'll see. But all I'm going to say is when it says just here for the spice, yeah, she ain't lying. All kinds of spice. All up in this envelope here. Mm-mm-mm. And then the book art. Oh my gosh. I freaking love it. I'm going to have a whole wall of just the art from her books. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Love it. Okay, here we go. The book. I keep all of these. The wax seals. Tower of the Lost Princess. Guys, this is, I'm telling you, you need to read this book when it comes out. Wanted it. Oh, look there. Yes. Oh, I love it. It's amazing. And Robin Hood is perfect. Perfect for this. All right, how am I going to open this without tearing it up? I like to save all these papers, you guys. And if you follow me for a long time, you know that's exactly what I do. I save it all if I can. And this is no different. No different. Yeah, that didn't work out like I wanted it to. Oh, well, geez. I don't want to tear it. Oh, well, I'll save some of it. And here we go. Oh, look at it. Oh, my goodness. The Stolen Royalty series. Ooh. Nice. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. And, of course, she signs her books. What's the back cover look like? Oh, nice. You need to read this book, you guys. You absolutely need to read this book. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is, I think, yeah, number 3 in the Stolen Royalty series. I will try to leave the link of her books in the description bar if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on TikTok, I will leave a link to her or tag her in this so you can go follow her, grab her books. You absolutely amazing. Like I said, she's a wonderful person, an amazing author. You will want to read her books. And if you are into spice, y'all, this is the book to read right here. I cannot, yes, I have read it, um, but I'm reading it again because I love this book. I really do. I think about these characters all the time. So I can't wait to read this again. It seems um, every time I read a book and I go back and read it again, I read new things that either one, I don't remember is in there, or two, I didn't read it. Do you do that? Do you read a book and then you're like, oh yeah, this is a good book, it's awesome, it's amazing. Then you have to read it again because it's such a good book. And then you read something, you're like, I don't remember that the first time I read it. That's me. I do that all the time. So, yeah, you guys, you need to read this book. So, I'll leave the links in the description bar. I'll tag her for Tick of the Talk and um, Instagram as well. Autumn, thank you for sending this book. I can't wait to read it again. Oh, I didn't see that sticker. Uh-oh, hang on, hang on, hang on. I can't read it. Can't wait to read it again. I was thinking of what book to read tonight, and this is going to be the one. I'm so glad that it made it here today. Thank you so much. Y'all, go follow her. Go read her books. Check her out. She is absolutely amazing. So, thank you again, Autumn. I can't wait to read it again. Have a good day, everybody.